we have a real client success story with real results from a ProCalcs partner. A home renovation in Bremerton, Washington that turned into an HVAC planning win. A property owner in Bremerton, Washington was renovating a home with plans to rent it out. He initially received multiple bids for a mini-split HVAC system with indoor heads, but wanted to ensure the system was properly sized for the home's heating and cooling needs. What was the challenge? The initial system proposed by a contractor had too much capacity, which would have led to short cycling and inefficiencies. A very costly mistake. How did ProCalcs help? ProCalcs provided accurate manual J load calculations and a performance certificate for the proposed system, also known as AHRI. Recommended a downsized system from 4 indoor units to 2 for better efficiency. After a few weeks, the client requested a ducted design option, so we carefully evaluated different setups, including return duct locations, relocations, and potential changes. Ensured that every decision was based on precision calculations, efficiency, and compliance before final approval. What was the result? After nearly a month of detailed collaboration, the client confidently selected a system that balanced cost, efficiency, and comfort for the home.
I am so glad I took the time to contact ProCalcs to get the calcs and their design recommendations before proceeding with the HVAC installation. Well worth it. I highly recommend ProCalcs.
Do you want an HVAC system design plan done right? Let's ensure your system is sized correctly the first time.